What's going on, people? Welcome back to the MRLife YouTube channel. I've just arrived at the JobServe Community Stadium in Colchester, home to Colchester United Football Club. I've got stadium access today. The media manager over at the club has given me permission to get inside the ground, get some aerial footage to use for my portfolio, so I'm going to snatch this opportunity. Let's get inside, meet Matt and get onto the pitch. Yes guys, so I'm out on the pitch. This is absolutely sick. I've just spoken to Matt and he's given me access to the ground for about 2 hours, so this is going to be naughty. It's given me enough time to get enough footage that I need. I've also spoke to the groundsman. His name is David. He's just cutting the grass because the under-23s have a fixture tonight against Coventry, so he's just sorting out the pitch for those guys. And he's just over the back there in the 18-yard box. He said to me he's going to be about 5-10 minutes and he's going to give me access to the pitch so I can get out to the centre circle and get the drone up, so it's going to be decent. As you guys may know, Colchester United play in Football League 2 in the UK. They're doing really well at the moment. They're currently sitting 3rd in the table, so they're looking like potential title contenders this season. They won 1-0 at the weekend against Macclesfield. Hopefully they continue with their good performances and end up getting promoted into Football League 1. I believe that David has just finished with the groundwork, so I'm going to crack on now with some aerial shots. Let's get the drone up and get some unreal content. So guys, I just want to give a massive shout out to Matt Hudson at Colchester United Football Club. He is the media manager at this club and he is the guy that gave me the opportunity to come to the ground today and get these photographs and this aerial footage. So Matt, thank you very much again for offering me the opportunity. I really appreciate it. I think I've got enough aerial footage now that I need to get, and it looks like it's going to rain, so I'm going to take the drone out of the sky. The main reason why I come here today to get this footage is so that I can showcase this work to other clubs in the hope that they may potentially want some aerial work done for their social media, for match day programmes, etc. So if there are any other clubs out there that are interested in having some aerial work done, please visit my website at www.r.media.co.uk and you can see some of the services that I've provided for businesses and organisations already. My name is Ricardo and I am at the JobServe Community Stadium in Colchester. See you in the next video. Peace.